Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic. Adjustments of the back got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro. Got you feeling good, 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 got you spinning like a gyro.
How has the neck been?
It's been good. It's been good, but it could definitely be better. That's why I said, I had to come back, man, because like my shoulders are tight, and you turn it a certain way, this way, that way. It's better because I went through, the rehabilitation and all of that, everything that you guys are doing here at Elite, here at Elite,
But it's still,
bro. Yeah, it's always tight, bro. Like my shoulders.
Yeah, and even up through there.
Yep.
Okay.
What you feeling? You feeling something in there?
Up through here, but that other one, like we did that one time.
And got something caught in there? So
well, just up through here. So go ahead and scoot down.
Okay.
A little bit further, because we're gonna go right up through here.
Okay.
So lean this way. Good. Just drop towards my hand. Woo! Was that like?
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yeah, that was a deep one.
I'll do it again. I'm just playing. Yeah,
we're doing.
Oh my God.
We go through here. Both sides, man.
For real?
Yeah. It's
See,
just.
I don't understand it. I don't know why it's like that.
Okay. So all the way down.
Okay.
We're going right down at the base here.
Man. Oh my God.
How's that feel?
Man, that was crazy. I feel like I don't know. You know how you get like laughing gas?
Yeah.
You know how you just come out of it? That's how I feel right now. Like I was just under surgery, like the laughing gas.
It's like a chemical high.
Gosh, bro. You ready? Get yours done?
Wrote a little verse about the art of chiropractic. Adjustments of the back got you feeling magic, feeling lit, feeling light, feeling fantastic. Wanna get cracked up? You can have it.